Hello, this is Sharon Mistretta, and welcome to a very brief tutorial on how to export a design to a .stl file so that I can send it to the library for printing. I simply dragged over an object over onto my work plane so that I can demonstrate the export, but this is the equivalent to the student's project. In the upper left-hand corner, you're going to notice that I renamed my project Mistretta Water. Please have your student, remind your student to name their file with their last name in it so I know that it's theirs. In the upper right-hand corner of the right-hand column is the word export. You're going to click on export, and then you're going to click on .stl. If you notice, it is going to come in the downloads folder. And then what I need to do is just look in my downloads folder, and it is right there. That is the .stl file. That is the file that you email to me so that I can forward it for 3D printing to our library. Thank you.